morning, everybody. This is Miss Rutan. I am going to go over very quickly about the ER endings. Um, this is a new group for you guys as we were studying previously the AR. Now we're seeing the ER endings. These verbs are regular. I just want to make sure that you know these are regular. Regular ER endings. Okay, good. So now, like previously we studied the AR group, the ER also has their own ending. So the ending for yo for the ER or ER is for yo is O, for tú is S, for él, ella or usted is E, por nosotros or nosotras is hemos, for vosotras o vosotros is eis, eis, ellos and ellas is en. So when we conjugate this verb, guys, we know that we have to use them. Okay, cool.